I swear I wear as much makeup as my wife does. I don't know if you guys have ever worn makeup, but you know, one, it's really hard to shave whatever this thing is right here. And two, like makeup gets stuck right here and it's so hard to get out. Like I'll take 2 showers, 2 days later, I'll look in the mirror, oh, there's still makeup there. So we're gonna do financials. Financials have been acting really strong here, pretty much leading this last couple of days, and that kind of points to a Fed rate hike. So we're gonna do a Wells Fargo trade for CNBC, and then I have a fun trade for research customers that I'm gonna do, and I'll set up with you. So, showtime! Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is for CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, we're holding long positions in XLF. If you recall, back on August 5th, we put on a long position in the financials ETF. We did so with a purchase of the 23 call, looking for a continued move higher, and that's what we've seen. XLF has broken resistance right around the $24 mark, and we're trying to reach the $25 region there in XLF, so those long call options are doing just fine. I want to add to our financial exposure in Wells Fargo. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Good luck on that trade, and we'll see you on the next video update. So I got to package this up, send it to CNBC. 201-608-30. Trading Nation. WFC, close. Oh, the other thing I forgot to tell you is they called me for Squawk Box this morning, and they were gonna have me guest host. I was gonna be on for a full hour, but then last minute they're like, yeah, just kidding, we canceled, got somebody better. No, I'm just kidding, they do that all the time. But they're gonna bring me back, so that would have been fun to guest host. Now, I have another trade that I want to put on in Twilio. This is gonna be a fun one, so let's do that. Ow! Hey guys, I almost just fell out of my chair. Good morning. Sorry for being a couple minutes late here. CNBC video right before, and we are rolling. So Gustavo, the whole team is here. I love it. I love doing the Tuesday webinar. Twilio is this kind of communications text message company. They just IPO'd, and they've actually been doing pretty well. It's what I use to send text messages out to you guys. And I like the setup here. The implied volatility is at 46%, so it's kind of high, right? Put a put spread to work. Volatility was all the way up at 90, and if you look at the purple number here, up around 97%. It's dropped back, but it's still pretty high relative to where it could be, which is all the way down here at 60%. Currently, volatility is at 77.8%, so it's still pretty elevated. So if we just even make this a 1, and then pull back in 2, and then we'll try to move up in 3, right? So we have a nice little ABC pullback here, decompose as a correction, ABC. I like that. Let's do a ratio analysis of 2v1. So we're right at the 50%. We've got a 618 right down there at $46.12. So pretty good little zone of support there. Let's do a C wave compared to A wave, ratio analysis C versus A. And where's the support come in? So we've held the upper support level right there at the 50% price retracement, which comes in at $49.70. I really like the clustering of support at $47.91 and $46.42. So what I'm looking to do is go ahead and sell a put at 50 and then match it up with purchase of the 45 put right there, which creates our kind of stop loss. And what I really like is the risk reward is pretty attractive because volatility is somewhat elevated. I like the support level. I like the 50-45 put spread. If we could take in $2.10, which would be $210 of max profit, our max loss would be $290. But again, that's selling the 50 put is right down at the support that's already been established. And then if we match that up with the 45 put, which is right there, you could even go down and test this zone of support and still make money on the trade if we bounce, or even if we just at least hold. So this is Twilio on the back end. So new trade alert, long Twilio, tier 4, full position in 7 October weekly sell, 50-45 put spread for a credit of $2.05 or more. This is one of the high volatility. This is one of the few high volatility trades in this market, and we're trading this live on Tuesday with Todd member webinar. Let's hit send. And then that should come through here on the on your phones on Twilio. Oh, there's the trade right there. Thanks, Twilio. I'll probably just do, I don't want to risk much. 800 is fine, 800 to make 600. So I'll just put a little 3 lot in there. And the key is going to be get the best price you can. Now they're up to 225 in the mid price. So I'm going to go 220 and see if we can get filled. This is going to be pretty liquid, so it might take some time. Oh, wow. That was really fast. Trisha's taking me to the dealership. Gotta get a new car. Here's the deal. I love this car. It's great. Problem is, it's not very practical. The boys love it, and they really want to go in it, so I don't think I can get rid of it. I'm gonna get another car. I'm gonna get a Grand Cherokee. This is like my 4th Jeep in a row. I love Jeeps. I'm just a simple kind of guy. It's gonna be easier for commuting, especially when I go up and down to the distillery. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because this situation is a little out of control and there's not much I can do with it. All they had in the Jeep that I wanted was black. So we're gonna have 3 black cars. Trisha's black car, that black car, this is my green car. Thanks for the ride, sweetie.
No problem.
Okay, say bye-bye. Trish only got about 3 hours of sleep. For some reason, Jake was up all night. She thinks he has separation anxiety.
Hi.
Bye. All right. Yep, black, she'll work. Eddie's taking care of me.
How are you?
Find him at Flemington Jeep. Eddie, what day of the week was this car built on? Just kidding. Like, I've been driving a 6 the last 2 cars, and like, you press the gas pedal, like nothing happens. So I want an 8, and I said, that's just it. I want an 8, so we got a V8. I had an old Grand Cherokee with a V8. It was awesome. So this is a V8. I'm super psyched about that. Gas, I think oil's going back down, so I'm not worried about it. Hi, Ashley.
Hi.
What's up, my favorite haircuttress?
Haircut. Oh, I need to fix my hair.
Hi, girlfriend. What are you doing?
You're out of your mind. What are you doing?
She's the one who's out of her mind.
Somebody has to be fixing your hair.
Or my mind. I got a new car.
Oh, that's Noosh?
Yeah.
I like it.
Thanks.
It looks very clean.
Do they have beers? They do! I got a webinar tonight. I can't. No drinking. Eyebrows are tricky. They like hide in there, and all of a sudden one comes out. And
Bam!
It's like out to here.
You pull one out, and it's like bam! Like young Frankenstein.
Aw, Gene Wilder dad.
What was he in Young Frankenstein?
Are there any questions before we proceed?
I have one question, Dr. Frankenstein.
That's Frankenstein.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? It's my favorite movie ever.
What?
Running Violet. Violet? Do it. Do it, Willy Wonka.
I can't really. The only one I can think of is he does the twist and the flip, and he gets up with his hat. He says, "Nice to meet you."
Who's my favorite character?
The loud is like,
little
I want this, and I want this, and I want this. I want everything.
I want everything. What does she
I want an everlasting gobstopper.
No, what does she really want though?
She,
Besides the golden ticket.
She wants an Oompa Loompa.
I want an Oompa Loompa, Daddy, now, right now,
Oh, my-
Daddy. I want an Oompa Loompa now.
Holy shit, you are a full-on...
Love it. And then she bursts into the song about don't care how, I want it now.
I want the whole world. I want to lock it all up in my pocket. It's my bar of chocolates.
This haircut is officially over. Stay tuned. 4 weeks from now, more movie trivia.
Oh, we've got a natural right here. Should we do this live? I'll set up my laptop here and we'll do YouTube Live, Facebook
YouTube
Live.
Live. Okay,
Let's do YouTube Live.
And we can take requests on what we should talk about.
I think we're gonna do that.
Willy Wonka and Splash or Trump versus Hillary? I don't know.
I'll be back with Ashley next month.
See you!
I need to give the 10 Fib interactive courses away, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. In order to enter to get the Fib course, which is about, it's like 16 hours. We've had a huge response from this. What I need you to do to enter is, number one, you need to subscribe to my channel. So you hit the subscribe button. You also, in the video, should be able to subscribe. So right here, number one. Number two, you have to hit this like button right here, this thumbs up. And number three, you have to drop a comment in there. Anything. Tell me what you had for lunch, what you'll have for dinner, what you think about the trade, what you think about your favorite movie from Gene Wilder, whatever. That's how you get inside of this contest. I will take everybody's username from there, enter it into a drawing, and I will pick 10 free Fib courses, which, trust me, you're gonna want this. It's new ride. It'll work. Are you doing happy birthday? Happy birthday, dear Jakey. Blow out the candles?
Yeah.
Is it your birthday? It's almost like your birthday every day. Hi, camera.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Daddy went to Ashley.
I went to Ashley to get a haircut. Say good morning from your nap.
You're shy?
I know, you just woke up.
You're not usually shy on
Good
camera.
morning.
You're the star of YouTube.
Come on.